All right, you guys, we are setting the mood, good vibes, and good hair with AIIR Professional, the first crystal infused hair care line. And today on my gorgeous model, Sedona here, we are gonna create an effortless chignon utilizing the texture AIIR, which is infused with crystal quartz. Let's do this. All right, so in a previous video, we actually added some dry texture mousse and the texture AIIR and added these beautiful curls. So now we're just gonna utilize that. I'm gonna spray a little bit more of that texture in there as we kind of go along. But really for this, I'm just gonna utilize my fingers. So this is really effortless. The key is to really have that nice texture in there. So we're gonna go ahead and pull the hair back. I'm just gonna lightly hold on to it, maybe pull some hair out for some softness around the face. So now we're gonna go ahead and take a hair elastic. In this case, I'm gonna use two together. Sedona has some amazing thick hair. It's all hers, so I wanna make sure that the elastic doesn't break. So I'm gonna go ahead and double up. So we're just gonna go ahead and get in there like a normal ponytail, okay? But instead of pulling the hair all the way through, we're only gonna pull the hair a little bit through here, then cross that hair elastic and then pull that little hair back through, and you're almost creating like this bun, right? So now we have the hair that is left out. And what we're gonna do is twist it, use a little bit more of that texture AIIR and pin it into place for a really effortless look. So now we're just gonna take some of that texture AIIR. Now you want to use that texture AIIR in there because it's gonna give it that grit and texture. This is actually infused with crystal quartz too. Crystal quartz is known as the manifesting stone. If you guys have goals and dreams out there that you want to achieve, you can utilize this and definitely manifest those dreams and goals when you're utilizing texture AIIR. So just a little tidbit of information there. That's really fun. So now we're going to take that section, we're going to twist it, and we're just simply twisting it around that little bun. Twisting it now. I like to do this little kind of pinch and pull technique. You're pulling it, you're making that twist a lot fuller. And we're gonna go ahead and pin it into place utilizing some bobby pins. I like to use the lip of the bobby pin, kind of pull it and push it straight down. Like to get all of the corners in those areas here. And what's great too about having that texture AIIR in there is the hair isn't gonna go anywhere. Like it definitely has that grit to where the bobby pin isn't just gonna slip out. So we're just gonna take the last little section here and tuck that in, making sure that it's nice and secure. So now, I'm just simply going to finish it out by holding on to the chignon and then pinch and pulling sections up. I'm going to utilize the flexible hold hairspray that has rose quartz in it because that's going to really allow kind of that hold of that sections that we're going to pull up with our pinchers here. Spray that, pinch and pull. And there you guys can see a really easy, effortless chignon in a matter of minutes, utilizing some of the curl that she had in her hair, but also texture spray. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay safe. I'll see you guys soon.